Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to NAWA Ring Champions action, coming to you from Cedartown, Georgia, wrestling at the Purks. It's May the 3rd, 2008. What do we have here is a triple threat match, if you will, for the NAWA Cruiserweight title. Your champion, Chris Ganz, facing the challenge of Chris Lightning and Jamie Hall, respectively. Now, folks, this is our first look at Mr. Jamie Hall. So it will be interesting to see how he stacks up against Chris Lightning and Chris Ganz, both competitors, fans of NAWA Ring Champions, very familiar with, to say the least. Jamie Hall, right there with Chris Ganz, has a hammerlock on the champion. Chris Lightning just sort of hanging back in the corner. Oh, reversal from Chris Ganz. Got a wrist lock on Jamie Hall. Well, thus far, we've seen a scientific contest. Oh, Jamie Hall gets a 2 count on Chris Ganz right off the bat here. Oh, Jamie Hall going to the floor to regroup. All right, Jamie Hall accusing Chris Ganz of a hair pull. So it looks like we'll see Mr. Hall and Chris Lightning now. Chris Ganz and Chris Lightning treating this almost as if it were a tag team match. Oh. Another hammerlock from Mr. Hall. Whoa. My goodness, some of this action is so quick here. Now, this is excellent chain wrestling, I believe you could call it. Chris Lightning really wrenching down on that wrist lock. Okay, Jamie Hall with a couple of knees to the chest. Oh, Japanese arm drag. Wow. Jamie Hall once again outside of the floor. This time, I believe he is complaining that his tights were pulled. Folks, that's not the case. At least not from my angle here. Seen some good, clean action. All right, looks like Ganz and Lightning. Jamie Hall saying he's going to stay out to the corner. We'll see. I must say, this is one of the strangest triple threat matches I've ever seen, just simply because of the behavior of these men. Oh, Jamie Hall in there. Chris Lightning and Chris Ganz making it well known that they do not like Jamie Hall. All right, Lightning got a wrist lock on Ganz. Now, these two men are very evenly matched. I believe Chris Lightning has a bit more experience than Chris Ganz. However, Chris Ganz has had a fantastic year here in 2008 with the NAWA. My God. Oh, Jamie Hall tripping up Chris Lightning, dragging him out to the floor just outside of the camera range. Oh, my God. High-flying action from Chris Ganz. Chris Ganz is the man here. That was very impressive. Ganz bringing Jamie Hall back in the hard way. Ah, nice drop kick. Looked like he got him right on the chin. Oh! European-style uppercut. Big suplex from Jamie Hall. Tell you what, this Jamie Hall is showing us that he definitely has skills tonight. All right, Chris Lightning, drop kick of his own. Only gets a 2 count. Side Russian leg sweep from Jamie Hall. What do we got here? Some sort of submission maneuver. He's got both the arms hooked. Forgive me, I don't know what to call. Oh, good Lord. Senton from Ganz breaks that up. Only gets a 2 count. All right, Ganz and Lightning once again. Double teaming Jamie Hall here. Double suplex right there. Now we're going to see problems with Lightning and Ganz, as this is one fall to a finish. These two guys may be friends, but they both want to win, that's for sure. Good Lord. Flying forearm from Chris Ganz. Oh, double axe handle from Jamie Hall. Jamie Hall, pinfall attempt. Near fall on the champion. Oh, reverse neck breaker. Jamie Hall definitely impressing us here today. Big elbow smash on Chris Lightning. What's he going for here? It's like Jamie Hall putting his baseball hat on. All right, whatever. That was not smart, folks. Jamie Hall gloating to the crowd. He has 2 opponents. That was not a very smart thing to do, because now both of his opponents are up. All right, once again, Ganz and Lightning fighting over who's going to get the pinfall. Irish whip into the corner. Big drop kick from Chris Ganz. Good Lord. Right to the temple of Chris Lightning. But there's Jamie Hall right there to catch him. Big, almost like a brain buster or a fisherman's buster suplex. Looks like he dropped Ganz right on the back of his head. Maybe not quite a brain buster. Near fall on Chris Lightning. Jamie Hall going up to the top rope over there in the corner. Oh, shades of Chris Benoit with that flying headbutt. Perhaps I should say shades of Harley Race. Oh. Cross body from Chris Ganz. Lightning pulling Ganser off of Jamie Hall. Jamie Hall throwing Chris Lightning to the floor. Oh my God. Jamie Hall going downstairs on Chris Ganz. Now that's definitely going to take the wind out of his sails. Oh, excellent looking springboard moonsault. However, Chris Ganz got his knees up. And Jamie Hall is hurting now. Gonna take it outside to regroup once again. We got Chris Lightning and Chris Ganz in here. My God, this action is so fast. Oh, my God. Near falls for both men. Jamie Hall rejoining the match. Okay, he's setting Chris Ganz up there on the top rope. Chris Lightning breaking that up. Irish whip. Leapfrog. Oh, Jamie Hall sends Chris Lightning out to the floor. There's Ganz. Big missile drop kick from Chris Ganz. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just like the announcer said, still your NAWA Cruiserweight Champion, Chris Ganz. We're here in the Purks building in Cedartown, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back after this.